In this video, I'll show you how to change currency in the PayPal app so you can manage and use different currencies easily. First, open the PayPal app and log into your account. On the main screen, tap Wallet or your PayPal balance. This is where you'll see the currencies currently available on your account. Next, look for an option like Manage Currencies or a small three-dot menu beside your balance. Tap it and you should see a list of currencies such as USD, EUR, GBP, or others. Here you can add a new currency, set a primary currency, or switch the default used for your balance. If you want to convert money you already have, select the currency you want to change from, tap Convert Currency or Exchange, choose the new currency, and enter the amount. PayPal will show you the conversion rate and fees before you confirm. Once done, your balance and future payments can use that currency depending on the settings you chose. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.